Hello, everyone. My name is Jose Ortega, and what excites me the most about being a global product manager at Molex is I'm at the forefront of change. Additional to this, I develop the strategy of the new products that Molex is going to put on the market. Everything related to miniaturization and what are the needs of the customers, what they are looking for, not just for right now, but what they are looking for in the next 3, 5 years, and what the industry is leading to. The vehicles contain an average of 80 sensors, 100 electronic units, and wiring, harnesses. The importance of miniaturization is that within the same vehicle, with the same space, you can add more connectors, more gadgets, more connectivity, and infotainment for the final user. To learn more about how Molex can help you with your miniaturization needs, please reach out to your representative or visit molex.com.